I've been asked to make a little video for Mikey of how I remove the Canadian bracket to put in my remote starter. I use the Dremel Moto tool with an angled cutter on it, 90-degree cutter on it. I have a 90-degree screwdriver. I have a replacement screw and nut that I will put in. I simply went up inside, got to the bracket, put my Dremel in place, cut the bolt quite simply. I don't think it took me 5 minutes to cut the bolt with the Dremel. I can now access, you can see I can access my 3 clips. The holes are still intact on the bracket, and I can use that little screw and nut that I have prepared to lock the bracket back in place in case anybody really wants to check, which I doubt. But thank you, Mikey. I'm going to install it now and see how it goes.